Okay guys, you got a check engine light blinking and flashing. What could be the cause? This is a very minor glitch. It could be two cylinders. Now let me go ahead and rev this car, or let's go back to the rear side. You can hear that this engine runs clean. This issue just started. When you hear your engine or your exhaust beating drums like a tom drum, boop, 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 like this, that's a sign that you have a bad ignition coil. So for this very V6 model here, scanning can often be the best way to pinpoint exactly which of the coil that is not functioning as it's supposed to. It could be this, it could be this, it could be that. So if I start pulling, it's gonna have a lot of error code, right? But that's the manual way to check it. This is not working. The engine should shake. So you can just pull the plug like this to see it's not responding. So this is not good. This is responding. You have to pay very good attention to know. Let me do this one. This seems to be working, but the best practice is to scan the car and know exactly which of the cylinders is underperforming, or which of the ignition coil that has failed, or spark plug, or injectors. Any of this can cause the problem.